There is a hidden tax you pay every single month, and it's not going to the government. It's going to your friends, your colleagues, and even strangers. It's the nice tax, and it's the cost of avoiding the single most powerful word in your financial vocabulary: no. We often frame the inability to say no as a moral failing, a lack of backbone. But the truth is far more complex. It's not a moral problem. It's a psychological mechanism that is costing you thousands, if not tens of thousands, over your lifetime. This video will break down the 3 psychological traps that force you to say yes, the 3 financial categories where you lose the most money, and the simple brain hack to rewire your reflex. The root of the problem is not a desire to be nice. It's a deep-seated fear of social rejection. We are biologically wired to seek approval, and our brain has developed an invisible script to ensure we get it. Trap 1. The invisible script. Think back to your childhood. Were you praised for sharing? Did you see money used as a tool for love or approval? This conditioning creates a script that says, generosity equals worthiness. When a request comes in, your brain doesn't see a financial decision. It sees a threat to your self-worth. Saying no feels like admitting you are not worthy of belonging. Trap 2. The guilt tax. This is the money you spend to avoid the awkward silence or the disappointed look. It's the over-tip, the subscription you forgot to cancel, or the favor you paid for because you were too uncomfortable to clarify a boundary. Your fear of conflict is literally a line item in your budget. Trap 3. Social currency. We view our yes as deposits into a social currency bank. We believe that by saying yes now, we earn the right to ask for a favor later. But this currency is highly volatile and often expires before you can cash it in. You end up over-investing in relationships that may not be reciprocal. Now, let's translate this psychological cost into hard dollars. The nice tax manifests in 3 primary financial categories. Category 1. Opportunity cost, the unnegotiated life. This is the most insidious cost because you never see the money you lose. It happens when you accept the first salary offer, when you don't negotiate a contract, or when you fail to ask for a raise. Your fear of the employer saying no causes you to say yes to a lower number. Over a 40-year career, this single yes can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost earnings and compounding interest. Category 2. Direct cost, the subsidized life. This is the money that leaves your wallet directly. It's the friend discount fallacy, where you undervalue your professional work for a friend, effectively subsidizing their life with your expertise. It's the emergency loan you give out that you can't afford to lose. It's the group trip upgrade you agree to because you don't want to be the difficult one. In these moments, you are paying for temporary social peace with permanent financial loss. Category 3. Maintenance cost, the overcommitted life. Your time is your most valuable asset. Every yes to a non-essential commitment, a committee, a favor, a social event, is a no to something else. Your side hustle, your financial planning, or simply rest. This leads to burnout, which is a direct financial cost in terms of lost productivity and health expenses. The cost of being too nice is often the cost of your own future. The good news is that the yes reflex is a habit, and habits can be broken. We need to replace the reflex with a conscious, intentional choice. Step 1. The pause technique, the 10-second rule. When a request involving time or money comes in, do not answer immediately. Interrupt the reflex. Say, "That's a great question. Let me check my schedule/budget and get back to you in an hour." This 10-second pause forces your rational, prefrontal cortex to engage before your emotional, people-pleasing brain can take over. Step 1. The pause technique, the 10-second rule. When a request involving time or money comes in, do not answer immediately. Interrupt the reflex. Say, "That's a great question. Let me check my schedule/budget and get back to you in an hour." This 10-second pause forces your rational, prefrontal cortex to engage before your emotional, people-pleasing brain can take over. Step 3. The tiered no. You don't have to be aggressive. You can be kind and firm. Instead of a flat no, offer a tiered response. For a friend asking for a discount, say, "I value you, and I can't compromise my professional rate. However, I can offer you a free 30-minute consultation to get you started." For a loan request, say, "I can't lend the money, but I can help you research financial resources." You shift from being a resource to being a referral, protecting your money while still being helpful. The cost of being too nice is the difference between your current net worth and your potential net worth. It's the price of your unlived, unnegotiated life. Saying no is not selfish. It is an act of profound financial self-respect. It is the ultimate form of self-care. Start today. Practice your pause. Feel the integrity loop. Your financial freedom is one well-placed no away. If this video helped you understand the psychological cost of people-pleasing, hit the like button and subscribe for more financial psychology deep dives. And tell me in the comments, what is the hardest yes you need to turn into a no?